Okay, Speedy. Okie dokes. I'll let it take it. Dear? Okay, we're at Fluffy's. It's an overcast morning. Jay put Tabby's treats on the corner and she's come to get them. Somebody decided to slice the water dish, so good morning. Good morning. I took the empty dry food dish, filled it up with water, and put the sliced water dish, because it can still hold food, over for the dry food, and I'll bring in a replacement tomorrow. Okay. We're at the corner corral for Whispering Hills Ranch, looking at the hillside, eastern hillside behind it, and the great white egret is up there again this morning, most likely looking for breakfast. It's not really doing much, just standing. It's up there. Okay, we have two of the wild turkeys that are on the eastern hillside behind the church that's next door to Albizu Adobe Park. California Towhee took one of the mealworms. Probably will take the second one as well. The second one looks right, yeah. They're such piggies, but hey, they make sure no live mealworm goes untouched. Okay, this may be a female wild turkey. We don't see a beard on it. That's some feathers that dangle from its neck when it's a male. Oh, we got babies. What we got now? We got a little bird. What do we got? Oh my goodness. We have a mama.
Baby.
Yes. A baby. Probably lost the rest of her brood.
Or is it the first one?
I don't know. Yeah.
You don't know?
And we have one of Whispering Hills Ranch's peacocks on a bush next to a light pole near the entrance to Whispering Hills Ranch. Sun decided to come out. That was nice. Now it's on the move.
The dog's coming up the sidewalk.
Okay. We're back at Fluffy's. Don't see Tabby at this time, or hear her yet. She may be around or not. Speedy's down. Peanut for the squirrel. Peanut for the squirrel. Here we go. That's one. That's two. I have an acorn woodpecker over on the bare top tree in front of the Last Road Ranch this morning.